Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily make a Discord server stats counter. Let's begin. First, open your Discord client and I want you to click on your server over here, right? And then click on this drop down and go to app directory. Now on the search bar on this section, I want you to look for server stats, right? And then hit enter. Now this is what we need. Left click on it, click on add application, and then just simply select the server you want to add this. So go ahead, click on continue, make sure everything is checked and enabled, then click on authorize. Then proceed, just make sure to select this and then just wait for a few seconds. And now it has been successfully added. You can now click on go to your server and it should now appear right over here, right? Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to go to a text channel. For example, general, and over here, just type slash create, or what you mean is slash category create, and then hit enter. Then you could just press enter again. As you can see, it has been successfully added. And here it is, service stats is now available in our server. Now, next is we need to add the stats such as the member counter. We can go over here, type in slash counter, space create, space, and we can go ahead select any of these, but those icons or selections or options that has star on them, it's actually for a paid subscription. So for now, you can just choose any of these that are free. For example, I'm going to select members only. Okay. And then go to any voice channel, which is recommended, and then hit enter. All right. Just wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it has now been successfully added. We have now our server stats. We have one member, which is currently me. And next, we can type in slash counter, space create, space. Then we need to select members with certain roles. Click on it, go to voice channel, and then click on additional. And if you have already modified your settings, added some moderators and other roles, it should show everything in here. So for example, I'm just going to select everyone, and then I can now hit enter. All right. So that's pretty much it. So for example, if you have more than one moderator, it will actually show up in here, moderator and the number of people that are in that role. All right. Then of course, if you want to rename any of these, you can click on edit channel, click on this icon, and over here, we can just easily backspace any text you want for a reference, but just make sure to never touch these numbers because these are the counter or indicators on how many those rules or members are in your server. Once done, you can now click on close and just a general information. Every 15 minutes, this will actually update. So you will notice that those numbers will actually change, especially if you have a huge server on your Discord. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.